Hi there, 8th graders. It's Mr. Kerr. We're looking at week 8 of Unit 2. We're going to be talking a little bit about the War of 1812, also talk about fall break and Thursday night parent-teacher conferences and all sorts of stuff. And there are my dogs saying hello to you. So let me start with a couple of announcements. First of all, we're still in the October count window. So please be logging in and try and submit some work, even if it's a reply on a discussion board or retaking a quiz or something like that. Every day, try and get something submitted as we're still finishing up our October count. Thursday night is Thursday evening, 6 to 8 is parent-teacher conferences at school at Glennon Heights. So if you and your parents can stop by for that, that would be great. Friday is considered our fall break. So we're saying that folks don't really need to log in on Friday unless you want to. All of your classes will be open, and you're welcome to work, especially if you're getting a little behind. That would be a good time for you to get work done. But it's a little bit lighter of a week, only being a 4-day week then. For most of us, the suggested schedule does go Monday through Thursday. Of course, you do have the full 7 days to get everything turned in. All right, on to this week. And what I want to really stress this week, I know there are different ways of getting in and doing the assignments. You can go through the upcoming discussion board. You can go through your grades, which you should be checking all the time anyways, as well as your messages and your emails and texts and stuff. But it's really, really important that what you do, what you should be doing, is to go in through the unit folder. So as you know, we're in Expansion, Reform, and Compromise is our Unit 2. And if you open that up, done week 6, done week 7, and we are doing week 8, War of 1812, and other exercises in futility. So open that up. Now, and then it's really important to go through all of these step by step, day by day. Now, the one exception to that is, as you know, is that you do have this quiz, the weekly quiz. I do want you to do it to kind of skip through and do the weekly quiz on Monday, just as a preview, so you can kind of see what the information is we're going to be looking at for the week. So do that as a preview, and then go back. Start here in the README first, announcements, objectives, and goals, and make sure you read through everything. Gives you a bit more of a suggested schedule, and then go using the next button. Go next, going through your vocabulary. And as I said, this is a pretty light week. We just have the discussion board. Go back up here for a second. We just have the discussion board. I think that's on week 3 or day 3. Nope. We put on day 2. Yep, there it is on day 2. And the quiz. So again, pretty light week. Good week to get caught up if you're behind on anything. Please go through these folders step by step as we've gone over. Let me know if you have any questions. Those of you coming to campus on Wednesday, we do have the Warren Tech field trip as well. So let me know if you have any questions. Hey, go Buffaloes, my last undefeated team. So they're doing great. Hope you're having a great week, and I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.